Life is a mirror. It does not give you what you want, but who you are. Welcome, this is Sheri with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. A friend of mine said that at a conference recently, and I was astounded. And it's so true. Life does not give you what you want, but it gives you who you are. Let's apply that to your health and wellness. Let's apply that to how you live for tomorrow with your health today, with your habits today. Are you a person who says, oh, it's just too difficult to get out of bed in the mornings? Well, maybe are you needing to look at getting up earlier and going to bed earlier so you can get your workout in? If you're a person who says, oh, I'm just too tired to cook and make a healthy meal. I'm just too busy. I'm just too whatever that excuse is. Maybe you need to look at that excuse and say, maybe that reason is, maybe I'm tired and that actually means I need to eat better to have more energy. I need to go exercise to have more energy. Look at your health habits. Look at how you're living your life, your sleep, your relationships, your time that's quiet and restful, because health and energy doesn't mean that we're go, go, go all the time. Sometimes it means sit, relax. It doesn't mean veg out in front of TV shows that you don't even like or Netflix that you don't even like for 4 or 5 or 8 hours. It does mean resting and taking the time for that. If you are exercising, if you are eating healthy and you still have some energy issues, maybe it's time to dig a little bit deeper. Are you someone who is willing to dig a little deeper and not settle? The mirror is going to tell you who you are. Are you someone who settles? Are you someone who says, I'm going to learn and I'm going to keep pushing. I'm going to try this, and if it doesn't work, I'm going to try something else. If you are someone who says, I can do it all on my own, I don't need any help, well, then that's what's going to show up in your life whenever you need help with something and you don't have all the answers, because none of us have all the answers, and you're not willing to get someone to come alongside and help, and you're not willing to have an accountability partner. Whatever your personality is going to show up even in your health and wellness habits. And I encourage you, take a look at that. What are your excuses? What's holding you back? What part of your thinking is holding you back? And are you someone who will find the answers to that? Are you someone who will reach out to me, to a friend, and say, this is an area that I'm struggling. I need help with this, because that's going to show up in your life. Life is a mirror. It does not give you what you want. It shows you who you are. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and you can find your path and fulfill your potential.